Alright, what is up boys and girls, welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do like and subscribe, leave a comment down below for the comment section, really helps out the channel. And with that being said, we are just taking a quick look at Polygon on our daily time frame then. As we can see, Polygon down here looking quite bearish compared to even a lot of altcoins that are still looking quite bearish. This one is still looking really bearish, desperately trying to push down below this level and continue. It's getting ridiculously oversold at these levels. You can see the bullish divergence is starting to come in here. Really looks like it wants to come down and get a deeper retest of some of these levels down here. You can see obviously we've broken down from our bear market support, which is obviously very bearish in general. But we did see this before, where obviously you can see back here, if we take a look at the chart, we've got this resistance that we keep on testing. We did get the false breakout and came back inside the coil for the false breakout to the upside. And now we've got this breakout to the downside. You could see yourself coming back up inside of this coil again into here for a real big test of a full direction in the markets for Polygon. Right now, really, it just looks like it's very oversold, just like it has been a few times in the past here. You can see these times where it's been extremely oversold in these areas. We have seen macro bounces to the upside. And in reality, we have found ourselves at this 0.23 Fibonacci level down here around 50 cents quite a few times. And in reality, I do think these entries are starting to get quite juicy, aren't they, for some potential upside in the future. Right now, Polygon really just trying to decide its fate. Bitcoin chopping sideways and being boring and annoying as usual. Right now, we are just waiting to see what will happen next in the wider market zone.